So here we have a nice revision question on finding the midpoint between two different points. And so our points here are going to be P, which is minus 2, 5, and then Q, which is going to be 6 and minus 3. And so the nice thing about the midpoint formula is it's basically just an average of two different coordinates. So we have the average of the x coordinates and the average of the y coordinates. So just add them together and divide them by 2. So a straightforward average, but we're just going to go through it step by step so we don't miss anything here. So x1, y1 is going to be our first point, which is just going to be minus 2, comma 5. So that's the point P. And then x2, y2 is going to be 6, 3, or 6 minus 3, excuse me. So that's going to be the point Q. And so now we can just plug these values into our formula in order to find the midpoint of PQ. And it is worth noting here that the difference between finding the midpoint between two different points and the midpoint of the line which joins those points is actually the exact same thing. So don't be too confused or concerned by the wording of introducing a new line here. So the midpoint of PQ is basically the point that's between P and Q, sort of equidistant from both. And so now that we've covered that, we can basically simplify this. So we've got minus 2 plus 6 over 2, which is going to be 4 over 2. So that's going to be 2. The midpoint of these 2 points, P and Q, is going to be the point, or the coordinate 2, comma 1. So that's going to be our final answer here, and that's it for this question.